DSP Crossover Setup. DSP Settings. The first step in setting up the DSP should be adjusting any of the crossover points. You have 5 channel pairs to adjust for the 10 channels of output. Each pair can be adjusted for high pass, low pass, band pass, or full range. For our example, we will set the front-powered outputs to high pass and adjust the crossover to 5K at a 12 dB slope to drive tweeters. With that done, we will set the rear channels to the same settings to drive the tweeters in the rear. 5K as well on the high pass with a matching 12 dB slope on channels 1, 2, 3 and 4. These channels will be sending signal to an amplifier with mid-range drivers connected. In this example, we're adding mid-range drivers. So having anything below 80 Hz on these drivers would be a waste of efficiency. With that in mind, we are setting the high-pass crossover to 80 Hz at 12 dB. That will protect the speakers and increase the output efficiency. For channels 5 and 6, these will have our mid-bass drivers. For this we will use a band pass filter to remove the low and high frequencies. We don't need the mid-bass drivers playing anything outside this range. We set the slopes both to 12 dB and the high pass to 5K and the low pass to 80 Hz. This will complete our crossover setup. Your next step will be time delay.